Good afternoon, students. Today we take the lecture on vistas, and the lesson is Journey to the End of the Earth, written by Tishani Doshi, an Indian poet and a dancer based in Chennai. She received Eric Gregory Award in 2001. Her first poetry collection, Countries of the Body, won the Forward Poetry Prize for the best first collections, and her novel Pleasure Seekers long listed for the Orange Prize and shortlisted for the Hindu Best Fiction Award. Her most recent book of poetry is Girls Are Coming Out of the Woods. Actually, she writes a blog titled Hit or Miss on Karasan Fay cricket-related website. The theme of the lesson refers to the manner in which geographical phenomena enables us to trace the history of mankind. It tells us about the way in which land masses and countries are formed. The writer emphasizes the impact of human attempt to dominate nature, very important line. The impact of humanity on nature. The writer emphasizes the impact of our human beings, how we damage and misuse nature. The challenge to the ecology of the world makes the Antarctica a crucial place for study. It provides inspiring educational opportunities which help us to foster an understanding. Now, this is an objective of taking children to Antarctica. They go for long trips. Students, Antarctica has always been a place of attraction. The writer was a part of the Students on Ice expedition. She had added to this expedition. The team had to come and cross 9 time zones, 3 bodies of water, and many ecospheres to reach the land of wonder. It was not an easy task to go to Antarctica. She was wonderstruck at its pristine, that's originality, the beauty of Antarctica. Above all, the fact that India and Antarctica once formed the same landmass. It is something very new that we had a same landmass. A visit to the Antarctica, around which Gondwana once existed, and like going back to the point, to the past. It is like revisiting history, going back to the history. In its layers, it holds 500,000-year-old carbon track records. It gives us this recording, an understanding of evolution and the ozone, carbon, and these kind of declarations that we are going under the evolution of understanding it. Now we witness the geographical part of it, the phenomena of geography there, such as the drifting of land masses. It explains the formation of countries, how the countries were formed. It is easy to understand how the drift had created countries. This lesson is all about how the places came into existence and pushing India towards north and joining it to Asia, and the folds of which formed the Himalayas. This is the lesson all about. Then how the Antarctica was isolated, and it has now become a place of beauty and a place to visit. This is very interesting, that how the history is trapped in Antarctica. It is a geological factor that how the study of this region is useful to us, how we can narrate this Antarctica and relate ourselves to this beautiful place. So These were 18 and 19 number pages of the lesson. I have tried to compromise them, and please take notes of these children. Very important lesson, because today we deal with troubling nature, and in return what we get from nature. So this lesson is related to the current topic of today. Please go through it. Thank you. We'll continue in the next lecture.